Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Welcome back to another English learning session. Today, we are talking about making lifestyle changes. Have you ever felt tired or out of shape? In this first conversation, Mark and I discussed the decision to start a healthier lifestyle.
You know, Sarah, I have been feeling incredibly sluggish lately.
Really? Is it because of work, or are you just not sleeping well?
I think it is a combination of things, but mostly I just sit at my desk all day.
That sounds familiar. Sitting for 8 hours is tough on the body.
Exactly. And when I get home, I just want to sit on the couch and watch TV.
I understand completely. It is a hard cycle to break when you're exhausted.
I was climbing the stairs to my apartment yesterday, and I was actually out of breath.
Oh, wow. That is definitely a sign that you might need some cardio.
I know. I used to be quite active in college, but that was years ago.
It is never too late to start again, Mark. Have you thought about joining a gym?
I have thought about it, but gyms can be very intimidated for beginners.
They can be, but most people are just focused on themselves. You do not need to worry.
Maybe you're right. I just need a push to actually go and sign up.
How about this? I'll go with you. We can look for a gym together.
Would you really do that? That would make me feel much more comfortable.
Of course. A workout buddy makes the process much more fun and accountable.
Accountability is exactly what I need right now.
There's a new fitness center that opened downtown. Shall we check it out?
That sounds like a plan. Let's go there tomorrow after work.
Great. No excuses this time, okay?
Deal. I promise I will be ready to make a change.
In that conversation, Mark used the phrase out of breath. This is a very common idiom. Being out of breath means breathing heavily because of physical exertion, like running or climbing stairs. In the next lesson, we will visit the gym to ask about membership. Hello again. We are now at the gym. It is very modern and bright here. Mark is looking at the membership options. Listen carefully to how we discuss prices and schedules.
Wow, this place is much bigger than I expected it to be.
Yes, it is huge. Look, they have a swimming pool over there in the corner.
That is nice, but I am more interested in the weight room and the treadmills.
Well, let's look at this brochure. They have 3 different membership tiers.
Okay, let me see. The basic plan is $30 a month.
That seems reasonable. What does the basic plan include?
It says access to gym equipment only, no classes and no pool access.
I see. And what about the premium plan? How much is that one?
The premium is $50. It includes the pool, the sauna, and unlimited classes.
Unlimited classes sounds great. Do you think you would attend yoga or spin classes?
I'm not sure about yoga, but a spin class might help with my cardio.
Also, look at the fine print. Is there a joining fee?
Ah, good catch. Yes, there's a $50 initiation fee, but they waive it if you sign a 1-year contract.
Are you ready to commit to a full year right now?
I think so. If I pay for a year, I will feel forced to come here.
That is true. Paying in advance is a good motivator.
And the hours are good. They're open 24 hours a day.
That is perfect for your schedule. You can come before or after work.
I think I will start with the basic plan for now. I can always upgrade later, right?
Yes, usually upgrading is very easy. Start simple.
All right. I'm going to go to the desk and fill out the forms.
Mark mentioned he can upgrade later. To upgrade means to move to a higher or better level of something. In this context, it means changing his membership to a more expensive one with more benefits. Next up, we discuss the actual workout. Now that Mark has his membership, it is time to exercise. In this conversation, Mark explains his workout routine to me. Pay attention to the verbs used for exercise, like lift, stretch, and warm up.
Whew, I am already sweating, and I have only been here for 10 minutes.
That is good. It means your body is working. What did you start with?
I started with a 10-minute warm-up on the elliptical machine to get my heart rate up.
Warming up is essential to prevent injury. What is your plan for today?
Today is leg day. I'm going to focus on my lower body strength.
Oh, leg day is famous for being difficult. What exercises will you do?
I plan to do some squats, lunges, and the leg press machine.
Do you know how to do squats with proper form?
I think so. I need to keep my back straight and not let my knees go past my toes.
Exactly. Form is much more important than the amount of weight you lift.
I'm going to keep the weights light today since it is my first week back.
That is smart. You do not want to be too sore tomorrow morning.
Right, I need those rest days to recover. Okay, time to do my squats.
Mark talked about soreness. When you exercise muscles that are not used to working, they feel painful the next day. This is called being sore. But exercise is only half the battle. Next, we discuss food. You cannot out-exercise a bad diet. That is a common saying. In this lesson, Mark and I talk about changing eating habits. Listen for words like junk food, protein, and sugar.
The gym is going well, but I think I need to change what I eat.
That is usually the hardest part. What is your current diet like?
Honestly, it is pretty bad. I eat a lot of fast food because it is convenient.
Fast food is high in salt and bad fats. It gives you energy, but then you crash.
I noticed that. After lunch, I always feel sleepy.
You should try to incorporate more whole foods like vegetables and lean meat.
I am trying to eat more protein to help build muscle.
Chicken, fish, and eggs are great sources of protein, and beans if you like them.
I do like beans. My biggest problem is snacking at night.
What do you usually snack on while watching TV?
Usually potato chips or cookies. I have a sweet tooth.
Having a sweet tooth means you love sugar. Try replacing cookies with fruit.
An apple is not as exciting as a cookie, but I guess it is healthier.
It takes time for your taste buds to adjust, but you will feel much better.
I am also trying to drink more water. I drink too much soda.
Cutting out sugary drinks is the fastest way to lose weight. Drink water instead.
I bought a reusable water bottle. I carry it everywhere now.
That is a fantastic habit. Stay hydrated.
I'm going to the grocery store later. No chips this time.
Good luck. Stick to the outside aisles of the store. That's where the fresh food is.
Thanks for the tip. I will focus on the produce section.
Mark admitted he has a sweet tooth. This is a fun idiom we use to describe someone who craves sugary foods like candy and chocolate. In our final conversation, we'll see how Mark feels after a few weeks. It has been 1 month since Mark started his new healthy lifestyle. We are meeting in the park to catch up. Let's hear how he is feeling now.
Sarah, it is so good to see you. What a beautiful day.
You look fantastic, Mark. You seem to have so much more energy.
I feel like a completely different person. The difference is night and day.
I am so happy to hear that. Have you stuck to your gym schedule?
Yes, I have. I missed 1 day last week, but I made up for it on Saturday.
Consistency is key. And how about the stairs? Are you still out of breath?
Not at all. I ran up the stairs to my office today without stopping.
That is a huge improvement in just 1 month.
It really is. And my clothes fit better too. My pants feel a bit loose.
That means you are losing inches. Have you kept up with the healthy eating?
Mostly. I still have a cookie occasionally, but I eat way more vegetables now.
Balanced approach is fine. You do not have to be perfect, just better.
I sleep better too. I used to wake up tired, but now I wake up refreshed.
Exercise really helps regulate your sleep cycle.
Thank you for pushing me to join the gym, Sarah. I needed that nudge.
You did all the hard work, Mark. I just gave a suggestion.
Well, I appreciate it. I think I'm going to sign up for that 5K run next month.
A 5K run? That is an amazing new goal.
Why don't you join me? We can train together.
Oh my, I guess I have to say yes, right?
Exactly. Now let's go for a walk around the park.
What a great result. Mark used the phrase night and day. When we say the difference is night and day, we mean the two things are completely opposite or very different. I hope this series inspires you to live a healthy life. Thanks for watching.